Hi, today we are going to learn about discrete probability distribution. So what is actually discrete probability distributions? The outcome must be finite and countable. So let's take example of, let's say we have the event that we throw a coin. So first thing we ask ourselves is this event outcome countable. That means that our outcome can be, let's say sample space, we can either get a head or tail. So this is actually a countable outcome. So there are two possible outcomes which is countable. So this is actually a discrete probability distribution. So let's draw some graph. Let's say we have the probability of getting a head when we throw a coin is 1/2. The probability of getting a tail is also 1/2. So to actually draw a probability distribution, x is the axis is the outcome and y-axis is the probability. So for x-axis we have two possible outcomes, which is head or tail. So the probability of getting a head will be 0.5 and the probability of getting a tail will also be 0.5. So one thing you note is that the sum of all the possible outcomes is equal to 1 for a discrete probability distribution. So let's try another example. Let's say now we throw a dice. So the sample space is all the possible outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So similarly, is this a discrete probability? The answer is yes, because the outcome is finite and countable. So let's try to draw out the probability distribution. So we have all the possible outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As we know that the probability of getting any of the number is actually 1/6. So the graph should look like the same length because all the probability will be 1/6. So I hope you learn about the discrete probability distributions, and note that for all the summations of all the possible outcomes in a discrete probability distribution is 1. So if you want to learn more about probabilities or other mathematics topics, feel free to actually subscribe to my channels and also look into the playlist for more videos. Thank you.